Live now. Hello, beautiful people. Good morning. How are you? Thank you so much for the 12 people who are waiting on me on the request so they can go live on YouTube. So the live stream is starting right now. So if you can hear me clearly, type yes on the comment section so I can know that we are on the same page, so they can know that we are hearing me clearly. We have more than 15 people on YouTube live. So if you can hear me, type yes. Can you type yes if you can hear me? Hit also that the like button on YouTube also. I can't see anybody commenting. So can you hear me clearly? Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me? All these people, over 15 people, nobody's commenting. So if you're watching me on my TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. That's why you can be able to see the live stream on you. Hey, Pauline Wanjiku. Pauline, I'm live on YouTube. 16 people. I want to see the comment section. Can you hear me? Guys, let's engage. We have 16 people. Can you hear me? So if let me see, confirm if you can hear me so that I can start the live stream. I can't see any more comments. Yeah. Is everything okay? I can't see anybody commenting. I can't see those comments. What's happening? Okay, let me use another phone. Okay, I see. On my phone, I can see Wanjiru is saying yes. Oh, so many people are commenting on my side. I couldn't see, but it's okay. Yeah. So I hope you're doing well. I see Naomi Chege said, good morning. We can hear you. Bonteva, we can hear you. Okay, sorry. Since I can't see the comment on my side, but it's okay. We can start. Okay. So which pair are you looking forward to trade today? So I'll start the live stream directly from sharing my screen. And those people who are watching me on my TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. People are commenting, oh, Paul, I can start the live now. So we have enough people, more than 20 people are enough for us to start the live stream. Okay. So I'll start, of course, how we do our analysis by back testing of what we did last week. Not last week, I mean 2 days ago, because yesterday I didn't do the live stream because of the CPI we had. But I was live on Tuesday and on Monday. So just back test of the few pairs we did analysis back then, and then we continue the both analysis. Jane Gadoka here. I see Abdul is saying I check US file and GBP CAD. Okay, I remember Alex. Yeah. So I'll do do back testing of what we did last week of the pairs we took, and then we can continue with our analysis. Okay. On Euro CHF last week, I don't think we had any view on Euro CHF since it was consolidating on daily time frame. You remember this consolidation? We had only views on Euro CAD. We were looking for more sales on Euro CAD on daily time frame and looking forward for this market to come back to this order block, and then we continue selling. And then GBP CAD, we were looking for more sales. Oh yeah, more sales on GBP CAD. I remember then when we wait, I gave this view once the market break this structure. Can you see my screen clearly? So if you're watching me live on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. That's why you can be able to see the screen I'm sharing. So the link is on my bio. You can click there or go to my Telegram channel. There's the link there directing to my YouTube channel. Yeah. Also, Chris, you can write my YouTube channel on the comment sections there. So on GBP CAD, we had the view whereby we were looking for more sales when the market structure break this area, and now it's confirmation for more sales on it. So it's on a bearish. Now it has changed the direction to bearish market. Okay. Another researcher. I see this one had TP was hit. US oil. Daily time frame also US oil TP was hit. And then Euro JPY. I didn't have the views on JPY. Remember that day on Tuesday, I didn't give you any view on JPYs. We had a view on Euro USD and also views on GU. More sales, it was more sales on GU. More sales on Euro USD. TP was hit. If you took this Euro USD on Monday, and then we have Euro AUD. We had the Euro AUD the first day. The market didn't activate this zone. Then it's back to this zone. We are going to analyze these pairs again. NZD CAD, we had another sales because of this flag. I remember that day, even, was it Bonteva asked me about NZD CAD to take an instant trade? Or was it Enoch? I can't remember, but I can remember is Bonteva or I can't remember the name. But he asked me about this NZD CAD and I gave this sale because of this flag. Guys, can you remember what I'm showing on the screen? Okay, and then CAD JPY. I didn't have any view on JPY pairs that day because I didn't have a clear direction of the JPY basket. And then GBP AUD, this one had a stop loss hit on 1 hour. And why were you selling here? Because of this flag. This market didn't go on my way because the stop loss was hit. This flag didn't materialize. So we have GR, we jumped GBP CHF. We didn't have any view on GBP CHF. I have a view on it. This one because it's a flag also. Euro GBP. Why were we looking forward to sell this market at this zone? Oh, okay, this is the zone that I gave. Okay, I remember this zero GPP. I remember it. Yeah, we had this zone. It's still running. If you remember me giving this zero GPP, and I remember I think Jane Gazoga is the one who asked me about zero GPP because I marked this zone. And someone was asking me why did I mark this zone? Because this was the last area for liquidity for me. AUD CAD, AUD CAD TP was hit also. If you took AUD CAD, we gave this AUD CAD sales on. Why were you giving sales? I remember it. Why did we take these sales? Well, oh, okay, I remember there was this trend in which the market was flowing up, and I gave these sales here on AUD CAD. Okay, NZD CHF. The market back is on the zone. It's active. I'll be back so as I can give more confirmation on NZD CHF. We're looking forward to have this a break and retest on 4 hours. Okay, and then NZD USD, I gave a sell. TP hit was hit on NZD USD. These are the analysis that we did last week. Everything, even gold, you gave it because of and it. Let me see the comment. And even gold, you gave it because of a flag and it respected. Yes. I see almost of the trades that I gave. They are hitting TP. XAUSD, I know I have directed XAUSD analysis and I gave a sales because of the flag. I remember that day here, TP was hit. USD I didn't give it, and Euro NZD, I didn't give views on Euro NZD. I remember him asking me and I said I don't like Euro NZD because of big spreads. GBP NZD, the same case. GBP USD, I gave a sell on it. TP was hit. I gave it because of a flag. USD CHF, I said it was an A setup, looking forward for the market to come back to the order block. Unfortunately, yesterday even CPI didn't push the market to the order block area. BTC, I didn't give the view on BTC Bitcoin. I gave the view on AUDUSD sales. TP hit, full TP on AUDUSD were hit. And then GBP JPY, I didn't give views on GBP JPYs. All JPY pairs, I didn't have a view on them. AUD CHF, TP hit, and USD CAD, I didn't give a view on it. So more than 10 pairs, I think we had only one loss only. More than all analysis. You can clearly see we did more than how many analysis? All of them, they had a TP. Since I started live streaming on YouTube on Monday, you can see all the pairs. These are more than 30 pairs. Only one loss on them. So you can be able to learn which criteria I use to be able to analyze this market and which criteria I use for me to have my entry point. So you can I know these people because I can see Enoch, I know Abdara, I know Alex, I do see him, and who else I normally see Jane Gadoga also on my live and Bonteva. They are my witness. They know that these are the pairs that I gave instant. I've done this analysis since Monday. They are very correct, and having someone who is doing analysis before and showing you what the market will have, they are very rare forex traders who can be able to portray what I've been showing you on my YouTube channel. So this one only the way you can be able to give me thanks to me is by subscribing and hit that notification bell. So as anytime I'm on live, and share it to your friends, tell them to subscribe to my YouTube channel because that's the way you can support me with these live streams. Okay. You, I see you. Let's post signals, brother. That's why I'm always live on YouTube. Those on TikTok, I'm always live on YouTube. So if you want me to view what I'm doing, go live on my YouTube channel. I'm currently doing the analysis. So let's get diving into today's analysis. So which pairs are you looking forward for me to check for you? I can see Blessing is saying nice. Let's see me the comment. Are you aware that are you like on yeah, are you accepting or are you mnakubaliana na mimi that the analysis I did on Monday they are still all correct because I gave more than all those 10 or 20 pairs analysis. Only one loss I can see only one pair which didn't materialize. Mhm. Let's continue. So today, on today's pairs, I'll just go through the page, the watch list again. We can see if we can have entries again, and we check if we have A setups. You know, the way I've been doing analysis, I do check for A setups for me. And then this is Euro CHF. I said on this Euro CHF, I don't have a clear view on daily time frame because you can see this consolidation until we have a clear view on Euro CHF because this whole week we have not traded the Euro CHF. It doesn't have a clear direction on it. Let's continue on. I say Bonteva and Tanga Ntamala. Bonteva, are you a Kenyan? I see you're saying your analysis is amazing, Dr. Forex. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's start on EuroCAD. So this is on EuroCAD on daily time frame. I will see this song again. We are still waiting for this market to come back on this or daily order block so they can continue selling. So for me, I'll be patiently waiting for this market to come back again to this order block so that we can continue selling this market. So this is my only sell zone on EuroCAD. So let me show you. So the only view I have on EuroCAD is waiting for the market to come back again here. And you remember we had an alarm. I showed you how to put an alert on EuroCAD, and it already has an alert on it. Someone is saying Gospel TV Kenya, fantastic. Keep it up. Yes, precious effects. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go to GBP CAD. Okay, so this is a pair I'm looking forward to have more sales on it on GBP CAD because clearly on on the structures on GBP CAD, you can clearly see it has changed the direction and it has already broken the side of the bearish side. So I'll be looking for more sales. So narrowing down to forwards, do I have an order block on forwards? These are more flags on these more sales on EuroCAD. These are flags. So we have these zones. Let me show you. So this is a zone for selling zone for EuroCAD. Once market come back again to this order block on 4 hours because it has broken the structure. And currently this is a structure. So I'll be educating you how to be able to identify that the market is about to make a. Can you hear me clearly? I have a phone here which is listening to me. I don't know if you can hear me clearly. Do I have a lot of noises? Or can you hear me clearly? Let me. Sorry, I forgot how to mute this phone. Let me see on the comment section. Can you hear me clearly? Muinda Ferris is saying yes. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to be able to identify that the market is doing a reversal and the market is continuing. Yes, Kenneth Omodi said yes. Okay, so what I mean is that on 4 hours, this is an order block. I'll be looking for the market to come back again to this order block, and also I'll be looking forward for the market to continue selling here. So we have view zones. This is a sell zone. So this is not a reversal. So nobody don't try to lie to yourself like, okay, so the market is trying to consolidate and have a reversal again to continue to buy because it has already given us more sales. So this more sales indicating for more sales. So, and I educated you, I think only last week on Friday on how to be able to trade a flag. I said a flag in a certain way of a flag to reduce your risk because according to the way, because forex is the same forex in people in Europe, the same people in USA and South Africa is the same forex. But now, according to the strategy in such a way that a flag, you're supposed to trade once the flags break this particular point and have your stop loss here. But for me, I try to minimize the risk for me to trade this flag. So what I normally do is trying to catch the market on the top of a flag, this side. Let me have this entry. So let's say this is my entry, and then I'll try to minimize it and having my stop loss way above a little bit. So let me have my short position here because these more sales, whenever you see such a structure of this ranging, these are called a bearish flag because we have an impulsive movement towards the downside, a little bit of consolidation, and then another impulsive movement will happen towards the downside. So my stop loss will be there. So there are two ways. You wait for this market again to come back to the flag because I'm expecting more sales. And then the more sales will come here is the same sales that happened here. So I'll just come and measure these pips so that I can be able to know my take profit. I'll target like this movement. And then I come and bring it here that way. So this movement will be the same that is going to happen here. Okay. So I'm expecting more sales on GBP cards because of this flag also. Guys, I know you, by the time you have been joining my live for the past 1 week, you can be able to identify what is a flag and what is not a flag. So this is more sales on GBP card. Let's go to the next pair. And once I'm done with the analysis, you can list on the comment section which pair you are looking for me to be able to check for you. Okay, on US oil, oh, this is another flag also. So one thing I have an issue with this is because on daily time frame, I can clearly see this market has already touched a very demand zone, this zone, showing a little bit of a rejection. This is a doji. This is not a hammer because it's a doji. A doji is an indecision candle, a candlestick in a KIV. That's what we call a doji candlestick. And for me, it's showing a little bit of indecision. But for me, this market has not clearly shown me a reversal structure. No, not a reversal. Has not clearly shown me that it has changed its direction from bearish, because clearly on daily time frame, this is how we do it. On daily time frame, you can see a reversal structure over here, shoulder and shoulder again, indicating more sales. And coming back here, this is not an enough reason for me to indicate this market is now going to go buys. And coming back to 4 hours, it shows me more indication of a flag. This is what we call a bearish flag. So it indicating for me the market is still bearish, because structure is for us to identify that the market is changing direction from a bearish structure to a bullish structure. We can only see a reversal structure, of which this is not a reversal structure. This is a continuation structure of a bearish flag. So I have two options on this pair. I'll be looking for most sells on this area on US oil. So I'll be looking for more sells on the upper side of the flag, and a stop loss of way little bit of a way small stop loss, not stop loss, a very tight stop loss above the flag, because for me I didn't expect the flag to break on the upper side, giving a little bit of liquidity and the target more sales. And because I said the other day, whenever you see a flag happening and the market has not really touched the zone very strongly, it indicates that more sales will come and break even this zone. So I'm looking forward for more sales on US oil. If the market fails to break sales on this US oil flag, I'm looking forward for it to sell on this order block, which is on 4 hours. You can clearly see this order block, which is here. I'll be looking for more sales again if it fails here. So I have a stop loss here. So I have to structure with these ones. But this one will be activated once it fails this flag. So for me now, I'm looking forward to have my sales here and a stop loss, these small stop loss. One thing you'll note that whenever I'm doing my analysis, I focus a lot on my stop losses, because let me see how many people who trade inverse head and shoulder immediate frame. Can we enter now? Let me ask her, how many people who trade without stop loss? Okay, type on the comment section. Do you trade using a stop loss? Those on my live YouTube, I can see the comment section. Okay, so do you trade using a stop loss? You see that I do really focus a lot on my stop losses. So I'm looking forward for more sales there. Euro JPY, leave alone Euro JPY, and then no, Euro JPY. This is a view on Euro JPY. There was a breakup structure and retest here, and looking for more buys on it. But I want to see a clear direction of the JPY basket. So the JPY pairs, I'll give a view on it once I check the JPY basket. So leave alone Euro JPY, USD JPY. I'll do them as the last analysis. Let's go to Euro USD. This is on Euro USD. Euro USD is very, very, very bearish. We have been selling Euro USD very, very, very bearish. Currently, is there any structure to indicate that the market, we can have an entry on it? Oh, there is no flag here. This is not a flag for me. There's no any order block on Forex. Let's see on Forex, because for me, I trade on the trend of. For me, I trade with the trend. I mean, not the trend of it, like the trend. So for me, the trend on Euro USD is very bearish. And if the market is very bearish, I have to look for more sales. And now we are at the low. So if you're looking for more sales, in the first market, we say we sell high, we buy low. Currently, the market is creating new lows each and every day. But for this, it doesn't give us confirmation, because even if we take our sales here, where is our stop loss going to be placed? We don't have anywhere we're going to have indicating us to have a stop loss. So I don't have a proper risk management on Euro USD. But for this, I'll give it more time so they can give me another structure for me for bearish. Unless this market comes back again to which zone? Let me see. Unless this market comes back again to, is there any, let me see if there are any structures. But for this, more sales on it. Nothing hapo hakuna. This order block was activated yesterday. Was this order block activated yesterday because of CPI? Unless this market comes back again to this zone, that's when I can look for more sales. But The current price Mali, Euro USD, this one is too low for me to continue selling it. So unless it give me another indication, because you don't take any position randomly until you have a clear, entry, a clear structure for you to take an entry. For me, I don't have any view on Euro USD unless the market comes back again to this area, because this area is too risky for me to continue selling it. Yes, though the market is bearish, but it's too risky for me to continue selling Euro USD at that area. It's too low for me to sell. Euro AUD. Okay, this on Euro AUD. So let me remove the choice because it has been raging for the past few days. So those on my TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. You can only view the live stream on YouTube. Coming back to Euro AUD, is there a clear structure of a head and shoulder? Because I'm looking forward to have this here. So be patient to wait for this market to come back again. You can turn this market into a line chart, and then you have your horizontal line here indicating the head, the shoulder, and the shoulder. So until this market taps here, that's when I'm going to have my sales. So it is not yet mature for us to enter the trade until the market comes back there, and then have a stop losses way above here. The liquidity, this area, and then get a little bit of. So my stop losses will be above here. So I'll be looking for more sales positions on that. This is Euro AUD. And guys, can you hear me clearly? Those on my YouTube channel. So can you hear me clearly? This on my YouTube channel. So on Euro AUD, this market is not yet mature until it touches this zone, because this is the area for us to have our sales. They are not yet touched, and I'll be looking forward for more sales on it. And the stop loss, there's my stop loss. You can clearly see this. So you can come back to this live stream. I do not delete these live streams normally on my YouTube channel. You can come back and view them. So you can come back and maybe see, you rewatch this live stream and see where I had my stop losses, where I had my entry. So for this one, I'll only recommend for I'll sell at this particular level, because once you see the criteria I used it that I turned this market into a line chart. Once I touch the line chart, this is the high of this market. Yes, not activated for me. So the orders are still there. The orders they are still at this particular point. So give it more time until it's more active on Euro AUD. NZD CAD, we give this sell because of this flag. Now the market is more dropping on it. On 4 hours, let's see on daily time frame where we headed it. So currently, there is on daily time frame, I can clearly see there's an order block left there. So we can only wait for this market to come back again to this area. That's another block left here. So, and my trades, they are good because you can be able to swing them, because I've been doing analysis. These are so many pips. You can see since we started selling this market, how many days? 1, 2, 3, 3 days. You can be able even to swing their trades. So for us, for these particular entries, we are going to look forward for more sales once come back to that daily order block. For now, there's no any view on it because the market may sell sana for us to continue selling. So we can have entries here for sales, and I can go. One thing you note that I don't go against the trend. So CAD JPY, the views on JPY pairs way later on. That's when you can have the views on JPY pairs, GBP USD. These are the one that hit our stop loss. These are only that which hit stop loss last week. So this GBP USD. So we have to do the analysis again from start. Remove charts. Let's come back to daily time frame. No, it doesn't have a clear direction on daily time frame because you can clearly see it's ranging. So not giving us a clear direction, either it's bullish or bearish. So for this particular pair GBP USD, I'll give it more time until you have a clear view on it. GBP CHF. Okay, on GBP CHF, this one is a flag. We were looking for more sales. TP is not yet hit. For this one is indicating for us for more sales on GBP CHF. So on this particular level, I'll be looking for more sales on GBP CHF because this is a flag. Let's see on daily time frame. And this candlestick to be like another block being left there. So I'll be looking forward for more sales and make sure that you have a very tight stop loss on it. Short position. This is not a reversal structure. Note that this is not a reversal structure on GBP CHF. More sales on it. TP here. We have your take profit there. And also we have another re-entry once market come back to this order block on 4 hours also. Once market come back again this area. we might look for. So these are the only mitigated zone we are looking for the market to mitigate. The order block there and the flag. But currently, I'm seeing more sales on GBP CHF. Euro GBP, Euro GBP we are looking for sales. The trade is still active, illy activated. Jana, you can remember I gave this entry. I think I did the last week. Oh, for those who took Euro GBP, be very careful with it because I can clearly see an inverse head and shoulder being formed. You can clearly see there might be an inverse head and shoulder. So if you have your entries, manage your position carefully because I see you're in profit. But now currently, reduce. Let me not overestimate. You should be looking forward for this because we have a head, we have a shoulder. The market must also retrace from this. So be very careful with this Euro GBP. Let's me on daily time frame the overall bias on it. Yes. Be very careful. Let's give it more time on this daily candle to close because once the market close daily with a green candle, binding this red candle with this green candle to be an order block for us, indicating for more buys all the way to up. So let's give it more time. But if you're in the positions, I know you're in profit, manage it carefully. But usikuwe mkono ngumu uanze kukoma na hii position for long because you can case it has a reversal structure. So for us to confirm for more reversal structure, let it break this here. So for us to confirm for more reversal structure, because you can clearly see a head, a shoulder, a head. So once it break this area, we are going to confirm for more buys all the way to these area zones za huku juu. So be careful and manage your position carefully. So we can only confirm this entry tomorrow. AUD CAD. AUD CAD, we were looking for more sales. So the only way we can tell another entry, it's approaching this area. So we have to give it more time. It would Nigeria any other block on daily time frame on 4 hours. 4 hours ni order block peke yake. So for this one, market move. Actually, most of the peers trade because we started doing this analysis since Monday. Zimefanya most of impulsive movements, move sana. Na sasa hii inakuwa ngumu for us to have an entry because entry uchukuliangi barabarani, like we have to have a stage. Ni kama gari, huwezi panda gari katikati ya barabara, lazima kuwa na stage that you are looking forward to have your entries. Oh, I'm sorry, naongea Kiswahili. No, let me speak English. What I'm saying is that make sure that you have a criteria that you're using to have your entries because you can't take randomly your trades anywhere in the market. So make sure you have a criteria that you use for you to have your entries. NZD CHF. Okay, so NZD CHF. Let's remove the drawings. Let's see the overall direction. This market is bearish. Now, the reason why I'm confirming for us for more bearish because there's this other block left on daily time frame. Coming back to 4 hours, we can clearly see a failure swing. This is what we call a failure swing. And then we have a change of character. This is a failure swing, and the market broke the structure on the lower side. So this one, don't be fooled by this zone. This zone, it'll break you too. So I'm looking for more sales because of this candlestick. So up even in more sales, and I know on 4 hour inakaa ni kama flag. Let me see. Yeah. So I'll be looking for more sales the market ikitouch up even on 1 hour. Is zone yote. Ongoja market mitigate your zone and then look for more sales on NZD CHF. Short position on this pair. Yeah. Short position. Ikaivo and more sales. And we continue more sales on this pair all the way to down here. And the reason we may come up now here because of this structure. This structure, it shows me that the market is unable. You can clearly see that the market is failing to break these structures on the higher side and doing a change of character and a failure swing. So indicating for more sales. And wacha niwafunze, ukiona candlestick kama hii imeachwa hivyo na demand zone, imebaidiwa na hizi candlesticks za red, hiyo ni order block inaachwa hapo. Indicate for more sales. So the market I'm looking for more sales on NZD CHF. NZD USD TP hit. So for those people that market may move, but the market may cause so much rewarding. If you have been with me since Monday, this market may cause so much rewarding. Like TP zetu zimehitwa na market may move like ×2 of what we were estimating from all the way those analysis zote tumefanya. So unapata sahi inakuwa very hard for us to have an entry because market may overstretch. You know, for overstretching, I mean, ime move sana because yes, it's bearish, but we have to continue selling it because there's not any clear structure for you to have an entry. Like now, this market is way down here. Yes, the market, you can go against the trend. The trend is bearish, but can you have your entries here? No proper risk management in such a way, hautakuwa unajua stop loss yako unaweka wapi. And let me mention this, a stop loss should be where it's supposed to be. A stop loss is not a random thing utafikiria tu amke, oh naingia saa hii na niweke 5 pips, itaguzwa tu. Hata nitaamka nifike 10 pips, itaguzwa tu. So make sure even if you take as entry and you have like entry yako umechelewa kuchukua, have your stop loss where it's supposed to be. The only option you have is just reducing your risk by reducing the lot sizes you have. But kusema ati stop loss yako nitaweka hapo hivyo 2 pips juu 5 pips, utapata stop loss yako inaguzwa each and every time because you are placing your stop loss recklessly or anywhere. So a stop loss is always supposed to where it's supposed to be, not recklessly anywhere. Tunasema tu 10 pips at net 5 pips, hapana. The analogy of having a stop loss is above ama, you know, that's why the analogy of having a stop loss is pressing the stop loss where it's supposed to be, not recklessly anywhere. So for us having an entry here and a stop loss of 10 pips, it doesn't give us any sense because this market itaguza hiyo stop loss and there's no money, hatuna pesa ya kubeana hapo kwa market. So if you don't have any entry, ni sawa, it's still good and shows you that you are forced traders because huna entry, umeona market yako haijialign na strategy yako venye una trading, si ndio? So unaona like Monday I generated more than 20 pairs, zote zimeguza GP, only one pair imeguza stop loss. So even if I generate one pair today, doesn't mean you are a bad trader or ule ujiona entries. It's because it's not aligning with the strategy that you follow for ama the criteria for you to have your entries. Okay, this gold is very bearish, and yesterday we had this flag also on GUP for more sales, but I've been also saying that I'm looking forward for gold to come back again to this order block hapa hivi on 2700, because on daily time frame but on this order block uta notice that ndo tutakuwa na inverse. Let me show you, not order iko kwa wana, si order block. Kuna hizo nilikuwa nimemark kwa wana, ni hii, this is zone nongoje mitigate hiyo, si hiyo, this is zone, powerful zone mali kuna orders kwa gold. Okay, so nikimaki hiyo zone hivyo, that's on gold time frame. So this is the only proper area that natafuta very good long term sale, because for those people who have been on my live analysis, someone is saying English, please. Okay, sorry. So for those who have been on my live analysis, you can hear clearly that my entries, you don't take my entries for you to target 2 pips or 10 pips. I do give entries that give you more than 100 pips to 200 pips. So meaning my entries, they are very long term, not even long term, but I mean, I take my entries to give you a high reward risk. So meaning for me, a proper risk reward ratio on gold is on this entry, so this zone on gold on 1 hour. And coming back to daily, I can clearly see this is the zone that is going to be mitigated. Tuko na nyinyi bado on this market. So meaning next week I'll be coming live. Once I extend this on the settings, I can extend on the left or right. Okay, let me extend to the left and right. Okay, so I've extended that zone. So this zone is on 1 hour, and also on daily time frame, you can clearly see the market will be forming a reversal over here and shoulder. So this is why we have major sells on gold. The major sellers, they are at this particular level, coming back to test this order block, coming back to test order block on 1 hour, and coming back to the shoulder. So sells are gold ikirudi 2669. That's why we have major sells zenye zitashukisha gold wazi huku chini. Okay, so USD, but if we have a clear structure on it, because for me now we can only look for continuation pattern ama reversal nini za kusell. So hakuna continuation pattern, na continuation pattern tunaangalianga ni flags. Hii ni 1 hour, hii si flag. Simona the market haijafanya any flag, so there's no any proper entry for us to have an entry here. So we just leave it alone. If you don't have any entry, you just leave the market even. So we just give it more time until the market to come back to our zone. Let's go back to continue to USD. Do I have any view on USD? USD has to be very bullish because of the USD is very, and USD is an exotic pair, but it has a high pip value. By high pip value, I mean ni equal levels za kina GJ. You can compare USD and Euro USD. You can compare USD and maybe Euro GBP ama AUD CAD. This pip has a very pip value, meaning a little bit slight movement, it is giving you very good amount of money. I will just tell you to give it a chance. Give it a chance and try it, USD, and you see how it has very good, and it has a very good market structure. Kama ni kupanda inapandanga vizuri sana, kama ni kushuka inashuka vizuri. So you can give it a chance on USD and check it out. Okay, Euro NZD, I don't like Euro NZD because of big spread. Give me a little bit time, and then niweke charger on my laptop. Okay, so you can comment on the comment section which pair you want me to check. GBP USD, abo no no, not GBP USD, then can come on. I'm going there. And guys, do you know that every day is not a trading day? We can come here today and have like more than 10 entries. And tomorrow tukuje tupate entry moja. So it doesn't mean that you are wrong. Sindio? Yeah. So tell your mentors to come and analyze more than 20 or 30 pairs and we see how many winning rate watakuwa nayo. Let me see on the comment section, how is the winning rate since we started doing this analysis? Are they beneficial? Because I can mark few people who I do see them on my live. I can see Enoch, I do see him on AWC, Abdallah, I know who else. I know Bontev. Is it Bonaventures? Bonaventures. I know Bonaventures. And I know who else. Shout out to who else. I know Alex. So how is the winning rate? Because I want to see the comment section. Because maybe someone is new on my channel today. They have never watched me. Let me see the winning rate. Okay. So why is it not charging my phone? Okay, it's charging now. Let's continue. Euro and ZD, said this has a GBPs. They have very high spread for me, and on daily, no clear direction on them. So let's go to GBPSD. So GBPSD is very bearish. I know people are waiting to buy GBPSD here. So don't try to go against the trend. The trend is bearish. And whenever the trend is bearish, until we have a clear structure. So in such a scenario, let's say, let me give you an example of such scenario. Actually, this is a good example. So on GBPSD, you can clearly see the market is very bearish. But I know it has really touched a very good demand zone, a major demand zone. And I know people are looking forward to have their buys here. So for you to have your buys on such a structure, until you have a clear reversal structure showing that the market has changed its direction from bearish movement to a bullish movement, that's when you can have your entry buys. So in such a scenario, you can go back now to 4 hours, look for a reversal structures. If you don't know a reversal structures, go and learn in the market structure book. So we don't have a clear reversal structure here. So for me, not even indicating me that the market is bullish or the market will buy. And let me tell you another thing is, until meaning, I see a lot of people be like, okay, market ikiguza hapo nitachukua. So one bullish candlestick, even if I go to 1 hour, I find one bullish candlestick, that doesn't guarantee me to have an entry on buys. Even if I find one green candle here, that doesn't guarantee me to buy this market GBPSD, because there is no any clear indication for me that the market has changed. It has shifted from a bearish movement to a bullish movement until we see a structure of a reversal at this particular level, indicating that the market is doing a reversal. That's when I can enter my entry. But for me, still bearish. You can see we are on the major demand zone, but it's still bearish. For me, flag yesterday, I gave a sell yesterday. I know it didn't come live, but those people who contacted me yesterday, I gave them sales on GU. The same case sales. So until you have a clear structure on it, no any buys on GBPUSD. So don't try to go against the trend. Please. The worst thing you can do in the Forex market is going against the trend. So on GBPSD, you can see that you have a very impulsive movement. So I'm looking forward for the market to do a little bit of correction or to give me a little bit of a reversal structure to indicate that the market is doing a change of character. A change of character from a bearish to a bullish. But currently, there's not anything indicating that the market is going to change the character. And you see, there's not any entry because we don't have any flag, we don't have any other block. The market is still bearish for me. So at this particular level, I leave it because I don't have any entry point. Because I said, for you to trade the Forex market, make sure you have a criteria that is you have your entry and exit point. I normally use this when I'm teaching my student in our Forex Academy. I do tell them, do you have a stepping stone? By stepping stone, meaning if you take this entry here, which is your stepping stone? In case the market goes against you, which stone, which zone? The stepping zone is like a zone. Which zone are you going to step out from this market? Which zone are you clearly knowing that I'm taking an entry because of this area and I have my stop loss? But clearly, you can clearly see that we don't have any exit point and entry point on GBPSD. So you have to leave it because I know since if you have been having these entries since Tuanza Kusel, they are still holding. Jen Gadoga najua alifunga. Jen Gadoga, have you closed their position? Let me see on the comment section because I remember you had GBPSD sales. I don't know where. Here, you can remember on Monday we gave sales here. Was it on Monday or Tuesday we gave sales here? It was Monday. Yeah. The market has been very bad. You can see the movement. Actually, GU they don't really move this very much, and I'm likely glad that Trump has come back to the market because the next 4 years are going to be the best time for you to trade. the best time for you to invest in cryptos, the best time for you to make money. So make sure that you really invest a lot of time in this forex market. This is the best time for you as a trader. The best thing. You can see the way investors, they are very happy about the forex market. You can see the market, they are come back. They may to their back to their normal shift, because when did you see GBP USD moving this full movement? When did you see GBP moving, making such crazy movement? You see, so on GU, no any clear indication for us to continue to buy, but more sales until we have another structure for us to sell this market. That's when we can have entries. Let's go to, for those watching me on my TikTok. Sorry, I'm live on my YouTube channel. You can only see me on my YouTube channel. I'm live. You can clearly see. I can show you, but I'm live on my YouTube channel. So the link is on my bio, and you can also go to YouTube and find search Dr. Forest. You can clearly see on YouTube channel. So that's GBPSD. That's USD CHF. Okay, on USD CHF, I have been really waiting for this market to come back again to this order block. Yesterday, forming this flag. This flag, why is my cursor? Forming this flag, continue buying, but I've been looking forward for this market. So for me on USD CHF, still waiting for this market to come back to this flag, so that I can continue buying USD CHF. Okay, AUDSD. We had sales here, TP hit. You see, the market, they have done a very impulsive movement since, because we estimated the market to hit our TP here. It may overestimate, it may shuka. It has already gone beyond our estimation. Let's go on daily time frame. Okay, so on daily time frame, it's on a very major zone, but there is no any reversal structure. So whenever you have a structure, Nemerudia, the same thing on GU, I have said that whenever you have a structure that is hitting a major zone, there's no any reversal structure showing you that the market is now changing its character from a bearish to bullish, that's not giving me a clear indication that the market is going to buy. So even if I have see one candlestick, green candlestick, doesn't guarantee me that the market is going to buy. So this one, don't be fooled that this market is going to buy because of one candlestick. So don't really depend on the candlestick. So depend on the market structure. Because technical wise, this is what we do technical analysis. Technical wise, if you are depending on technical wise, you have to learn the structure, the movement of the market, because the market move in form of structures and shift. So if you are on, if you are depending on candlestick, maybe this one green candlestick, oh my God, you need to learn more on the market structures. I can see Jen Gadoga said, I'm still holding the sales on Euro USD. Okay, so I remember you the Euro USD since Monday. Yeah, this is your JPY basket now. On JPY basket, and I want to do a research on what is going to be happen to the JPY basket when Trump wins, because Trump also is going to affect the JPY, because JPY is used a lot by investors. This is on 1 hour. This market is still bearish. JPY basket is very bearish. And if JPY basket is bearish, GJ they are going to buy, and Euro JPY they are going to buy, and yeah, Euro USD JPY they are going to buy. So for me, these are bearish. Continue for more bearish. So let's go to Euro JPY now, because this more sells on Euro JPY. No, this more sells on JPY basket. So more sells on JPY basket. Then Euro JPY is a buy. Where is Euro JPY? Yes, and then Euro JPY, it's more buys on Euro JPY, more buys on GJ. So meaning I'll be looking forward for more buys on this pair. Let's go to forwards. Let's look for an entry. Is there a criteria we can use to have an entries on this? Okay, so I can use this criterion of having this area. Let me stop. Reduce on the extreme right and extreme left. So I will be looking forward for this market to buy on Euro JPY. So you can see I'm doing a little a correlation between the JPY basket and then the JPY pairs, and I have my stop losses here below this week, below this one, and then I'll target for the market to continue more buys. Let's me target on 4 hours. Yeah. So this pair are looking, and there's a head and shoulder there, but the market is still not mitigating this one. It has not yet mitigated. By the time it's mitigating, it has moved to your side. You can secure. So once this market, let me tell you, if you take this buy and the market hit this zone, you may mark up even on this head and shoulder. Have your stop loss at break even to secure yourself, because this can be another reversal. But I'll be looking for more buys on Euro JPY, and I'll target this area. So that will be my take profit, target this area. So we come back again on it. Let's check on USD JPY. This pair is more high, way high for me to continue buying. Let's check on GBP JPY. GBP JPY. GBP JPY, still obeying your trend line. I'm looking for more buys on it with a long position and a stop loss up. And then 4 hours. And then I target TP1 should be here, but TP2 inafaa ikuwe hapa. Yeah, more buys on it. So let me see on the comment. What about GG? GG is what I'm doing. Did you try algo strategy? Don't mind explain more. Eric, no, for me, algo strategy I found it is more of a scalping and not giving me like, because I can target a few pips, like 10 to 30 pips my movement. This guy, according to the explanation he was giving out his strategy, you take the entries on 1 minute, and for me, targeting a small movement, yes, equal rewarding for me. So for me, I target movement with small pips, stop loss, and targeting a big movement and pay a good reward. Yeah, because for you, if you're targeting 10 pips to 20 pips, to make a significant amount of money, you need to increase your lot size. You're going to increase your risk so you can be able to make money with 10 pips, 20 pips. So, but with a movement of 20, 200 pips or 100 pips, even if you can alosikane, utaunda pesa mzuri. So for me, I equal adapt according to the. So hiyo inataka mtu akona pesa mzuri, because he works with capital, he works with Pro Farm. So akiweka lot ya 5 ama lot ya 10, 20 pips, ameunda $2,000. That's what I mean. Yeah. Okay, let's come to AUD CHF. So on JPY pairs, I'm looking for more buys on it. And then this is AUD CHF. TP was hit. Why was I selling this area? It was a formation of head, shoulder, and shoulder, and more cells, and has already closed below the order block. More cells on it, because you can see this order block, the market has already closed below this order block. Yeah, ishafunga below, so indicating more cells on it. On daily time frame, you can come, yeah, more cells on it, and daily. Now this is an A setup. AUD CHF, more cells on AUD CHF. This is an A setup for us today. Okay, so look for more cells hapa, this area zone. Na hii AUD CHF iko na pip value. Hebu nione wanani wana trading AUD CHF. For more sales on this pair, short position. And the reason why I'm going short position on this area is because I'm looking for more sales in there, and the stop loss way above this kind of, way above this wick. So this is how you can also learn how I'm able to place my stop losses. And this should we buy gold? Wewe mavoko hapana. Got live on my YouTube channel. That's why I'm doing the analysis. I'm live on my YouTube channel. So this is how I try to. I am able to have my stop losses. So I'm checking it with this week above it. My stop loss there and looking for more sales. And on daily time frame, this is what I told you about the criteria. Whenever you have this green candlestick touch there, and I'll be looking forward for more sales at chini. When I green candle imependua hivi, indicate more sales on AUD CHF. So more sales on AUD CHF, more sales on it. Then we come to USD CAD. USD CAD jana niache kibaya. This is on 4 hours. Yesterday daily daily time frame. It's bullish. So on 4 hours, where can we have an entry on it? Unless we have this entry, a break on reset or retest of this area. So once this market come back again to this area, we can have an entry on USD CAD. Okay, so let's go to the comment section. Why short AUD CHF? So someone is asking a question on why should I sell AUD CHF? So Abdul, actually now ask me that question tomorrow on you have a private class with me, Abdul. So I'll explain this why I'm selling AUD CHF on our lesson, on our class now. Yeah. So ask me the question on my next class with you. Ask me that question. I'll be able to understand, to explain more in deeper details with you. So let me see in the comment section, because we are done with this analysis. So these live, I normally don't delete them. They are always recorded and left on YouTube channel. You can come back again and do more. We can rewatch it slow by slow and be able. So I'm going to answer question. So you can ask me on the comment, which pair are you looking for me to check for you? I see we have over 50 people live on YouTube. Okay. So which pair, why, which comment on which pair are you looking for me to check for you? It's time for sale. Just no. Which pair are you asking about? Okay. More questions? Okay. More questions on YouTube? More questions? A setup for today. For a setup, I've talked about AD this one. How many pips do we have a surplus for it? We have a surplus for it as how many pips? So I'm looking for the Itachi zone Yapa, this order block again, and then Ishuke. So give it more time, Irudiapa, and then we continue selling it. So for us, stop loss iko hapa hivi. We have a stop loss of 11 stop pips. 11 ziko sawa. Having a stop loss of 11 pips iko sawa. How about USD CAD? Christine Nyamoya, I do see you. She's my supporter here. I do see her. Christina, on USD CAD, this is a view. I said on USD CAD, you have a breakout structure here. And waiting for these sales to come back so you can look for more buys at this particular level. So I'll be looking for more buys on this candlestick upper area. Christina, that's why we have a bias on USD CAD using a confirmation of kama candlestick itafunga hapo hivyo kwa order block or below. Okay, XAUSD, we have said XAUSD has done an impressive movement. Tangu tuanze kusell XAU, hakuna any entry hapa. You see, iko hapa. It's bearish, but siwezi ng'ang'ana na buy. I can't buy it here. So we are waiting for a little bit of correction. We continue selling XAUSD. That is it. Billy, I'm live on YouTube. You can be able to see this analysis. They are live on YouTube. So I'm live on YouTube channel. You can see my laptop. TikTok, I can show the screen. Okay. The WW is asking on XAUSD. More comment, more questions. We have 50 people. Let's hit even the like button. Show support, guys, so as I can see we are on the same page. Okay, and let's check BTC, and then I'll come back and talk about crypto. Which time should I come live? Because I want to come and talk about cryptos. I think I'll organize a live over the weekend. We can come and talk about cryptocurrency. Yeah. Okay. I don't see any more any more comments. Since people are satisfied, so if there's no any other comment, then we can see you on to the next live. Any comment? Which pair are you holding? Let me ask you. This is another comment I would ask. Anybody who has benefited from this live since I started going live the 1 week ago? Is this live benefiting? Are you benefiting from this live? Saturday. I'll come on Saturday. Okay. Yes, I'll come on Saturday. Okay. So you guys, have you been benefiting from the live that have been coming each and every day live on YouTube? Because I see time in Meswanga, it's around 12. CAD JPY, please, Collins Kiron. Can you analyze that pair in ZAR? That's USD ZAR. And then Eric is saying yes. Are you bullish on GJ? Yes. Saturday morning crypto session. Okay. Let's engage in the comment section. And then CAD JPY, let me show you CAD JPY before. And also, if you are benefiting, just take PS if you have been benefiting from this live. We have over 50 people. 50 people staying on the live for more than 1 hour mean they are getting something. Move drawings. That's on daily. It's very bullish. I'm looking for more buys on CAD JPY, but on which zone am I going to look for entries? This is a flag. This is a flag. And we are late for the entry because for such a flag, we are supposed to have our entries below the flag. So for me, this one will have a very risk for you. So if you are taking the CAD JPY, make sure that you reduce your risk. You reduce your risk by reducing the lots. Even if you are going long, because our entry should be there and stop loss should be here. You see, these are very big stop loss. So for me, I don't have any entry, but I'll be looking for more buys on it. If you're on buys, you're okay. Yeah, that's a very big stop loss for us on CAD JPY. Guys, tap the like and then button on the and also engage in the comment section. Okay, more question before we end the live stream. Okay. USD JPY. Robin Chege, I said USD JPY is very bullish, but now for us it's on a high end because we can be able to have our entries here. This is another flag. More buys on it. It will buy. We have more buys on it. So, but another issue is that we are waiting for retracement. This is on daily time frame. Let's see. We don't have any order block on daily 4 hours, unless the market irudi tena huku hivi. Hizi zone sasa ndo tunaweza tafuta more buys on it huko. Unless this market spike again down, so they can have more buys on USD JPY. Yeah, are you using SMC or LCT? Honestly, I'm more of SMC, but I'll use market structure for me to have my entries and analysis. Through 4, we rise, yes. Anasema, yes. Robin Chege, okay. So I think we are exhausted with the questions. So I'll see you next on to our next live. We are really enjoying this live session, sir. Thank you so much. See you on to the next live, and make sure that you hit that notification bell. So sometimes I do go live without even, I just forget to update it that I'm live. But yeah, you can hit that notification bell. So anytime I'm live on YouTube, you can be able to access my live stream. Thank you so much for showing support, and yeah, share this live with your sub friends. Tell them to be viewing me on YouTube. Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye bye.